Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2015 Volkswagen Golf TSI, 7th gen. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. The shape ran from the 3rd month 2013 to current. This vehicle is fitted with a CXSA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have the left front guard, appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch steel wheels. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the left-hand rear door. Factory 15-inch steel wheel, left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left-hand tail light garnish. Have the tailgate. Rear bumper cover. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. Factory 15-inch steel wheel, right rear has a good tyre. Right-hand rear door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand front door. Right-hand power door mirror. Factory 15-inch steel wheel, right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. It has a tidy centre console lid, tidy automatic transmission centre console, tidy automatic transmission gear lever, factory AC controls, factory media player, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, also has a tidy right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.